Yeah. Well, thank you. I must say, everything is good. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. And right here. Look at Dinky. Look what Dinky doing, y'all.
I heard you got
All right. All right.
You can't put me on 2 different channels at one time.
Oh, yes, I can. Oh, yes, I can do that. All right, y'all. Dominoes here. Stuff like that, you know, with the family. Oh, you recording too? Oh, yeah, you on the show, man. You heard me? You on the show? All right. Yeah. We got the family here. We got Lester, Floyd, Danky, and everybody else, you know. Is your video going on YouTube too? Oh, well, shame. Long as you post it though. All right, so, you know, let's say I haven't made it yet, you know, so let's go inside and see the rest of the crew. Oh, Valerie here. Hello.
Hi. Happy birthday, Paul.
Well, it's Facebook Live.
Happy birthday, Lester.
All right. And hopefully he'll watch this. Well, let's go inside. Oh, hello, Shanti. You on the show? Facebook Live. Okay, I'll be right with you. All right. So anyway. Oh, who are you? Look at honey. Hey, honey. You on the show again? This time Facebook Live.
That's a cute little belly.
Y'all haven't seen her in a long time. Since the family reunion, huh? The second family, 2017 since.
How you gonna take my baby now? Look, oh, you trying to take how you taking my baby now?
All right. All right. So.
She's so good, and they be lying on her.
All right. All right. So anyway, y'all, I'm just. Well, let's go back out and see what's happening with the rest. Okay. Good music it got, you know. Look at these apples, y'all. At first, I thought that they were flies. Look at this. Look like flies on there, huh, y'all? Oh, all right. Yeah. That answers my question. Okay, so all right. Look at the pictures, everybody. All right. Listening to. And there's Uncle Dave, and we got Floyd here. All right. Yeah, I'm recording. You can call me Domino while you're recording.
I said, what's up, twin?
All right. I
don't do no Domino selling all that.
All right.
That's twin.
Well, while I'm recording. All right. Yeah, so anyway, y'all. Exactly. But while I'm recording this Domino, while I'm recording, I know. And disregard that music in the background. That's I'm curious. That it must be I forgot who that was, but I'm gonna find out though. Okay. So what you want to say?
Hey, we going all night, man. We going all night. That's what I got to say. We going all night. We haven't really got started yet. This the pre-party to the party.
Oh yeah. By the way, anybody you want to say hi to?
Well, you know, I don't necessarily need to say hi to nobody. I mean, you know, it's all good. It's all love. We riding on love either way.
Well, for me, I would like for you to say. I would like for you to say hi to my friend Nyla.
Well, how you doing, Nyla?
And you can say hey to my friend Brittany.
Hey, what's up, Brittany?
And my best friend Shamika.
And y'all take care of my cuz. Take care of Domino like y'all supposed to.
Oh yeah, I would like for you to say to my friend Shamika. You hear me? Come on, thank you. Well, we gonna do it on the next one. All right, so All right. So this is Facebook Live I'm doing right now, you know. But this one gonna go on YouTube soon. I have to put it on YouTube so everybody can see. You know. And this video for also for somebody that don't have a YouTube channel. You know. Yep. So Lester will be here in a minute. He gonna be here in a minute. Are you related to him? Well, all right. Oh, that's good. So two cameramen, one in the family, big time. Well, when I start the recording, if you want to introduce yourself, it's up to you. If you don't want to, that's okay. All right. So, welcome to the recording show, okay? So anyway, would you like to introduce yourself if you want to? World Media. All right, that's your name on. Oh, it's the camera right here, y'all. Okay. So you film for a living, right? Good job, man. I'm proud of you. I don't know you, but I'm proud of you. All right. So, for still not here though, you know. All right. So my friend Jakaya won't want to watch this episode, you know. All right. So all right. So. All right, so in the yo stuff, huh? Yeah, it's just a party, y'all. Okay. Hopefully it'll go on YouTube, though. I wonder where the mom at. Look, class of 2021, a graduation party, and is this Swanika? Hey, what's happening?
What's going
Oh
on?
yeah, you on the show?
I'm on the show.
You're on the YouTube. The Dominoes 7 show. Monica's best friend, y'all. Yeah. I assume that they went back to being best friends. Yeah, she part of the family. Swanika, I miss her, you know. Here's a Shantae, the cousin. Well, what you want to say, Shantae? Nothing? Well, I'll see you later, yeah. Is that Malia? Let's go see Malia, y'all. That Malia, excuse me. Malia! Hey, Malia. You on the show? We miss you.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, hello, Malili.
That's not my name.
I know, but I always call you that. Malili.
That's not my name.
Oh, how your mommy doing?
She's doing good.
Hopefully, mommy gonna watch the show, okay? Yep, this is Facebook Live and this is just a recording. All right, well, with the recording, it's a commercial break. I'll be right back. Oh, look who showed up. Hello.
You don't want me to curse? Don't put it in my face that close, because I'm a curse.
Well, it depends. I didn't say viewer discretion is advised. All right. That's Notorious Big. Hypnotized, you know? So, all right. Now I'm about to stop this recording, okay? All right.